How to polish a car without a polisher. Detailing Phoenix. If you're looking for a new car and you don't want to buy one that is not fully detailed, there are ways to achieve the same effect without a professional polisher. This article will discuss how to use a DA polisher or a rotary polisher, how to reverse the process, how to clean the car, and how to use decontamination sprays. Hand polishing. Polishing a car can be an intimidating task. It requires the right equipment and compounds to make it look as good as new. There are two main methods for polishing, hand or machine. Each has its advantages and disadvantages. Hand polishing is a good choice in some situations, but it's not always the best option. Machine polishers are more effective than their hand polishing counterparts. They allow you to work in small areas and produce better results. However, they can be heavy and hard to maneuver. In addition, you may find yourself suffering from sore shoulders or back. When using a hand polisher, it's important to know how to work the pad and polishing wheel. Applying too much pressure can cause scratches. You also want to avoid overlapping the edges of the pad. This can create a dried mess. The most important thing to remember when polishing your vehicle is to keep it clean. Wash your car with automotive soap and water. Clean off loose dirt, dust, and mud. Rinse the surface thoroughly with a hose. A foam applicator is a common tool for hand polishing. You can buy them for as little as $1 to $2. Use a small amount of compound on one body panel at a time. For a more detailed polish job, consider hiring a professional detailer. A professional will be able to determine exactly how much clear coat you have left on your vehicle. For a quick polish, you can use a microfiber towel. Microfiber towels have a fine surface area that will prevent minor surface scratches. To remove swirl marks, use a compound called reverse. This is a specialized scratch repair compound that can be applied by hand. Using reverse will eliminate scratches, spider marks, and oxidation. For an even finish, you can apply a glaze. A glaze is a coating that can be added after the polishing process. But, you should be careful not to overcoat with polish. If you overpolish, your car's finish will get a dried, scuffed mess. Using a polisher and a foam applicator is a great way to save time and keep your hands free. Just be sure to follow the manufacturer's directions to ensure you get the most out of your polishing job. DA polisher versus rotary polisher. Dual action, DA, polishers and rotary polishers have different advantages and disadvantages. When you want to start detailing your car, it's best to choose a tool that can do a lot of work quickly. However, you may also need to have a different tool for each type of job. DA polishers are ideal for beginners. These machines are easy to maneuver and have less heat. They are safer to use than rotary polishers. DA polishers can be side-mounted or top-mounted. This allows the operator to easily adjust the speed. Using a rotary polisher requires more handwork, and you must be careful not to burn the paint. A rotary polisher is best used for correction of paint imperfections. It can remove paint much faster than DA polishers. The only downside is that a rotary polisher can leave scratches and hazing. But if you are careful, they can be effective.